So what's the most scariest thing about AI?
But I'll tell you something more scary. See, I don't want to talk about all these things because लोग सोचेंगे यार क्या क्या हो रहा है, डरा क्यों रहे हैं? Everybody was saying Hollywood is cool.
I was shitting bricks when I found out about uncensored AI.
You're talking about uncensored AI. There is nothing to be scared about. I'll tell you something more scary. See, I don't want to talk about all these things because लोग सोचेंगे यार क्या क्या हो रहा है, डरा क्यों रहे हैं? But I think it is important for us to know what is happening.
Yes.
Have you heard of Seed Dance 2.0?
नहीं, क्या है ये?
Seed Dance 2.0, ByteDance is TikTok का पापा.
Okay.
TikTok is built by this company called ByteDance. Chinese company है.
I know that.
Their video model, जैसे अपना Sora 2 है और Veo 3.1 है ना Google का, उनका Seed Dance is their video model, right? Which generates video. Obviously, उन्होंने जो videos generate किए हैं, it almost is indistinguishable. Like एक fight था, I think Brad Pitt and one more actor के बीच में, it was completely AI generated, just mind blowing, right? That Hollywood is cooked. Everybody was saying Hollywood is cooked. But you know what? Seed Dance suddenly was supposed to release, but they paused the model.
क्यों?
The reason is shaky.
क्या?
The reason why Seed Dance stopped the model is not because वो बहुत realistic videos generate कर रहा था. It was because in a few cases where इमेज टू वीडियो करके एक ऑप्शन होता है, पता है ना? मैं तेरा इमेज डाल सकता हूँ. लास्ट टाइम एक क्लिप डाला था, याद है ना? आयरन मैन में जो बात कर रहा था, that was image to video. I uploaded an image of you looking like Iron Man. I made you talk.
Yeah.
But there it sounded like you because I used a different audio model to train it. But Seed Dance 2.0 में when they made an image into video, the video sounded like the person without even giving the audio. How can I upload a picture of Raj into an AI model, make it say, hey, welcome to Figure Out? It should make up some random voice, no?
Yeah.
Imagine the voice came from Raj, from a model which has never heard you. That is why they paused. They were like, what the hell?
Like deepfake will just...
It's not deepfake. The scary part is the audio was never given them. Now a lot of people are speculating.
So like it will increase deepfakes all around the world for...
Yeah. No, it's more like, how does AI know how you sound? And also because it's a black box, maybe it was trained with our video and तेरा podcast में सब में train किया. Everybody makes TikTok reels and all. That information is out there, right? So the hypothesis of this was because ByteDance owns TikTok, पूरा content TikTok का use हुआ होगा train में, and of course it's Chinese, so they will rip off every single piece of content to make. But AI has figured out a way to connect the picture to an audio it was trained to actually generate it off the fly, which is crazy, which is scary.
What's the scariest thing in this? Tigo, personally, what do you think कि next 5 years में सबसे डरावनी चीज़ क्या होगी इससे, अगर ये सारी चीज़ें implement हो जाती है, ये और ज़्यादा powerful होते जा रहा है, तो और अगर हो जाएगा, so what's the most scariest thing about AI जो normal common lives affect करेगा?
I mean, common life तो directly impact होगा via jobs. That is the major thing that will happen. Jobs, loss of jobs. In the next 3 to 5 years, I am assuming यही होंगे, right? The rampage of people losing jobs and they losing jobs because of AI will just skyrocket.
It is already happening.
It is happening. It is obviously happening, but it's baked into stories of PR. There are two things happening in the market right now. एक ये हो रहा है कि यार because of the infusion of people that happened during pandemic, बहुत ज़्यादा job loss. I mean, lot of layoffs that are happening. Companies are saying because of AI, but probably it is not because of AI. वो भी हो रहा है, right? But on the other side, the real job loss is not people getting asked to leave the job. It's the fact that new people not getting hired into jobs. Right? For example, the stat will scare you when I heard it for the first time, right? In the last 12 months, the top 5 IT companies in India have hired a net of how many employees? Can you make a guess? 17. Top 5 IT companies in the country have net hired.
जो हजारों एक hire करती थी.
लाखों जो hire करते थे. Has net मतलब hire किए हैं, but layoff भी हो रहा है ना. So net is 17 employees. 17.
पांचों मिला के
top 5 IT companies. I will not name them. You know what they are. I mean, the world is silent. Because there is this power game that is happening, right? Everybody wants to get to the smart super intelligence the fastest. They have to get to ASI because the country that owns ASI or builds ASI first.
ASI क्या?
AI is what we have right now. AGI is general intelligence, artificial general intelligence. AGI का simplest meaning ये है, nobody has a definition by the way. According to me is, it is smarter than any other human. Okay. It has crossed the smartness of every single human in the world.
ठीक है.
That is AGI and it's able to do everything. ASI is when AGI is able to compound and it becomes smarter, like 100x smarter than anything else. As a result, it is able to self-develop. So the moment AGI happens, super intelligence is ASI. In magnitudes of, smarter than any ever human being out there. That is ASI.